If you've been browsing YouTube lately, you've probably seen some of these shorts that completely blow up. I'm talking about videos crossing 50, 80, even 100 million views. And guess what? These aren't just one-hit wonders. There are tons of them, and the creators behind these channels are making serious money just from YouTube Shorts. Now, here's the interesting part. While they're creating these videos manually, you can actually do something very similar using AI tools. In fact, with the right method, you can create almost the same style of viral videos without needing a big production setup or advanced editing skills. Let me break down exactly how you can do it. The first step is super simple. Pick one of the shorts you like and grab a screenshot from it. Once you have that screenshot, go to the GPT store and search for a tool called Image Recreation Pro. Open it up, start a chat, and upload the screenshot you just captured. What this tool does is really cool. It analyzes the image and converts it into a JSON file, which is basically a code version of your image. Don't worry, you don't need to understand coding here. Just copy the JSON output, head over to OpenArt, switch to the Image tab, and select Google Image 3 as the model. Make sure you set the aspect ratio to 9:16 because that's the vertical format perfect for YouTube Shorts. Paste in the JSON code you copied earlier and then choose how many variations you want. Once you hit generate, you'll see new visuals that look very close to the original short but are completely AI generated. The magic happens in the next step, turning those images into videos. Go to the Image to Video feature, open it, and select CANTS 1.0 as your animation model. For quality, you can choose between 720p or 1080p, depending on how sharp you want the final video to look. Set the duration to about 10 seconds, which is the sweet spot for shorts, and pick Pro Quality for the best results. From here, you just need to describe what you want the video to show. The AI will take your prompt and bring it to life. You can be really creative here. Maybe you want surreal scenes, funny animations, or even realistic movements. The AI handles all of it. One trick I tried was using one image as the starting frame and another as the ending frame, and the AI created a smooth transition between the two. The result was almost identical to the viral videos you see on big channels. The best part? You can keep experimenting with different screenshots and prompts to generate endless, unique videos. Each one feels like the viral shorts you see blowing up in the trending tab, but they're completely your own creations. So, to sum it up, grab a frame, recreate it with Image Recreation Pro, bring it into OpenArt, turn it into a video, and describe your ideas. That's it. With just these steps, you can start making high-quality viral-style shorts that have the potential to pull in millions of views. And of course, all the links and tools I mentioned are listed down in the description, so you can try this for yourself. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment about what kind of shorts you'll be creating, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more tutorials like this.